Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve another interesting geometric problem. In the given figure, M is a point on AC, such that AM is equal to MC, making BM a median of triangle ABC. Angle MBC is equal to theta. Angle ABM is equal to 2 theta. If BC is equal to 2 BM. Our goal is to find the value of theta. Before we proceed, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me and enables me to create more content. Thank you. Also, feel free to pause the video and give it a try, and tell us your answer in the comment section. When you see a line segment that is halved, like BM, being half of BC. A brilliant trick in geometry is to double that median segment to reveal hidden symmetries. To do this, let's extend the line segment BM past M to a point D, such that MD is equal to BM. Next, let's connect point D to A and C. Why do this? Look at quadrilateral ABCD. Its diagonals are AC and BD, and both diagonals cut each other in half at point M. This follows that AM is equal to MC and BM is equal to MD. In geometry, any quadrilateral whose diagonals bisect each other is automatically a parallelogram. Now that we know ABCD is a parallelogram, two crucial properties unlock immediately. First, the opposite sides are equal. Segment AD is equal in length to segment BC. And alternate interior angles are equal. Since AD and BC are parallel, the line BD acts as a transversal line, cutting across them. This makes angle ADB equal to angle DBC, which is equal to theta. Now, let's connect the construction back to our given condition. Given that segment BC is twice the length of segment BM, the full diagonal BD is equal to segment BM plus segment MD, which simplifies to twice the length of BM. Therefore, segment BD is equal in length to segment BC. Since segment AD is also equal in length to segment BC, it follows that segment AD is equal in length to segment BD. Again, look closely at triangle ABD. Because side AD is equal to side BD, triangle ABD is an isosceles triangle. In any isosceles triangle, the angles opposite the equal sides, the base angles, must be equal. Since angle DBA is equal to 2 theta, the opposite base angle DAB must also equal 2 theta. And angle ADB is equal to theta. Now, recall the fundamental rule of any triangle: all three interior angles add up to 180 degrees. This follows that angle DAB plus angle DBA plus angle ADB is equal to 180 degrees. Substituting our values in terms of theta. 2 theta plus 2 theta plus theta is equal to 180 degrees. This simplifies to 5 theta is equal to 180 degrees. Dividing through by 5. 5 will cancel out 5. And 180 degrees, divided by 5, is 36. Therefore, theta is equal to 36 degrees. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.